Makadi mhuri yeZimbabwe ikusangana zvekare pano pachivhitivhiti chenyu patinenge tichikupa nyaya nemalatest updates anenge achiitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Pane nyaya iri kubuda panapa iri kutaurwa kunzi VP Chiwenga anofanira kuti varesign. Ndofunga nyaya makamboinzwa last time yakatanga ichinzi mukadzi waVP Chiwenga ngaresign. Apa takunzwa zvichinzi VP Chiwenga ngavaresign. Munhu ari kubudisa mashoko aya ndiTemba Mliswa. Temba Mliswa ari kutumwa kuti ataure mashoko aya kuti vadeni Chiwenga varada kuona kuti Chiwenga akamira papi. But manje Chiwenga haasi kuacta. So varada kuti Chiwenga aacte zvese zviri kuitwa, zvese zviri kuchinja constitution, zvese zvavari kuita izvi inyaya yekuda kudini Chiwenga kuti tichaona kuti anoita sei, because vada kuti vane kaplan kavo kavakaronga kuti Chiwenga kangoacta izvi isu tobva tamubata patobva tamudai so automatically tinobva tatotina Zimbabwe tinobva tatoadopta bumbiro remutemo ipapo tobva tatoti mutemo wachinja. Ndozvavada kuita but Chiwenga uramba akastedha. Ndofunga kana makanzwa mashoko aChiwenga aitaura last time akataura kati avo vanenge vachimhanya isusu hatitedzeri vanhu vari kumhanya, isusu tinotedzera vanhu vanenge vachienda nepesi yakanaka. Saka muri Zimbabwe ndichakusiyai makateerera kubva kumacomrades edu ari kudiaspora vanenge vachikupai nyaya dzinenge dzichipisa. Ndokwa ndichakusiyai makateerera motiudza zvamunofunga mucomment section.
No, I don't know, but I don't know whether I zvinhu zvacho so Uncle Jets let me stop here otherwise zvinhu zveZimbabwe so
Thank you very much. Right, guys. Thank you very much. Right, let me thank you very much, guys. Let me just welcome those that are joining us and those that are wondering what it is that we are talking about. We are talking about clauses 20 and 29 in this amendment bill. The 20 proposes to remove the constitutional protection my chiefs and instead leave the conduct of traditional leaders to ordinary legislation. So what I'm simply saying is that is going to be removing, in quote unquote, their neutrality from the constitution, where it is guaranteed by the constitution, even though it is not practiced in the way that we would expect it to be, practiced, but it's going to be moved to parliament, where it can simply be changed, where their conduct can simply be changed by a simple majority. And given that we have got a parliament that has been majorly dominated by ZANU-PF, you'd understand now that it is going to be clear that a direction can simply come from ZANU-PF openly and as laid out in an act of parliament to say that this is how he's supposed to be conducting himself. So the government is saying, or the Ziambi Squared is saying, they're doing this for the purposes of ensuring that the rights of the traditional leaders, the political rights, are not violated. And they're saying their conduct should be provided in an act of parliament. So that is the clause 20. And then the other clause that is under our discussion that we are looking at is clause 21. This one abolishes the Peace and Reconciliation Commission. So they are proposing to abolish the National Peace and Reconciliation Commission. This was written into the Constitution because of what we went through as a people, the cycle of violence that were never fully addressed. I'm talking about Gukurahundi, political disappearances. I'm talking about Murabachina. I'm talking about the August 1st. I'm talking about all these other localized conflicts that never made the headlines in terms of healing, reconciliation, and truth telling. So the government, this ZANU-PF government, they want to remove the entire clause that speaks to or that established the commission. So they want to remove that entire commission from the constitution It's not like, they want to reform it. No, there's no reform. So like, they want to improve it. No, there's no improvement here. It's not like, they want to strengthen it. No, they're not strengthening it. But they are abolishing it outrightly. So it means once it is gone, there's no constitutional obligation for them to pursue any truth-telling, reconciliation, or even conflict, prevention. So that is what, they want to do, with this. And that is the other one that is under discussion. So it's not about Nyadzima chief yet. Tinemwe nyaya yeku ningiriki uku. Yeku NPRC uku. Togora ngweungorora futi iyo iye. Tungo balances. Nasi Friday, ndupezani na 8. So we've got another 1.5 hours to go through this, and then 8 o'clock I'll bring it to a close. Right. Masi, your end is up. Do you want to come through or some adding? I'm going to attend.
Yeah.